Hi everybody, in this video I want to talk about parrot facts. Basically parrots are birds of the roughly 372 species in 86 genera. Parrots also known as citizens, and they can be found in most tropical and subtropical regions. And the greatest diversity of parrots is in South America and Australasia. Parrots are often brightly colored, and also parrots are believed to be one of the most intelligent bird species. Also, some parrot species can live for over 80 years. And while most parrot species consume seeds as their food, other parrots may also eat fruits, nectar, flowers or small insects. And New Zealand is home to some very unique parrots, for example kaka, key and kakapo. Another interesting fact that sizes of parrots may vary from 4 inches up to 40 inches. Parrots live in flocks in the wild and communicate with each other with loud screeching and squawking sounds. In the wild, most species of parrots build their homes in holes of trees, rock cavities, tunnels in the ground, and termite mounds. Parrots also can mimic noises as well as people. For example, African grey parrots can also be taught to count, identify objects, speak short sentences while responding to questions. Also, parrots use their bills and toes for climbing. The other interesting fact that parrots are monogamous animals, and the eggs of parrots are always of white color. Another fact that the parrots are wild and not domestic, namely they are not domesticated like, for example, cats or dogs. Also, parrots have pretty strange body language in comparison to dogs and cats. For example, feathers and beaks are much more difficult to read than fur and fangs. Also, it's never enough to just leave a parrot in a cage with just a few toys, because parrots come from interactive environment in the wild and need extremely interactive homes. Basically, parrots not only need time to be outside of the cage, but also activities to keep them happily occupied. And that's basically it for parrot facts. If you like this video, please take a moment and comment, share this video with your friends, watch other videos on our channel, and subscribe to our channel.